Hello everyone. Now in this lecture we will know about what is the private key cryptography. Private key cryptography means what? It's also called as private key, secret key or single key cryptography. That is uses a one key. It uses a one key. Then basic what exact the cryptography is. It's simply the encryption and decryption process combined called as a cryptography. That one is when we encrypt. Encrypt means what? It's an algorithm. If we send a high message to another user from network, right? From network. Here is the network. That one is encrypt. High is encrypted with a encryption algorithm, and that encrypted message we can say that it's a ciphertext. It's a ciphertext, right? When we encrypt the data, that plain text, high is a plain text, and after the encryption it's converted into a ciphertext. That is the plain text concept, then ciphertext concept, right? Then ciphertext sent to the second user. That one is consider user A send a hi to user B on a network. Then the second user decrypt that message and again get the plain text as a hi. Okay, but when the user A encrypt the data, it need a key, right? It's an encryption algorithm. It's simply the particular ciphertext is equal to encryption done with the input of a plain text and a key. Means for encryption algorithm there are the two input, it's a plain text and the key, and then it convert into the ciphertext, right? Then that ciphertext sent to the second user again use the same key, right? Same key and generate the plain text. That one is again a decryption, have a two input, that is a ciphertext and a key, right? That is simply the way of a communication of encryption, private key encryption or the private key cryptography. Means so same key is used for the encryption and decryption. That's called as a private key cryptography. It is shared by both sender and receiver. That key is shared with both sender and receiver. If the key is disclosed, communication are compromised. Means particular attack will be happen if key is disclosed. Also is called as a symmetric key cryptography because of both user or the encryption and decryption use the same key. When we encrypt the message, high is converted into the IH, that is a ciphertext. Again decryption convert that IH is into the high. That is the logic behind the symmetric key cryptography. Hence it does not protect the sender from the receiver forging a message and claiming is sent by the sender. That is if the particular user know the symmetric key, then and then it encrypt and decrypt that another user decrypted. That is simply the concept behind the private key cryptography. Thank you.